Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix mouse wheel scrolling problem. First, what we're going to do is to click on the search icon at the bottom left part of your screen for Windows 10. Let's search for Control Panel and tap on the Control Panel that shows up. From here, let's click on the mouse option. Currently, we don't see it, so we can click on this View By option right here. Click on that and click on Large Icons. From here, you should be able to see the mouse option right here, so tap on it. And if you can't find the mouse options, just search in the control panel right here at the top right of this page and type in mouse. From here, tap on mouse and the mouse properties should pop up. From here, you can adjust the speed. If the speed is currently on very slow, make sure that you have to adjust it somewhere in the middle, as since that is the recommended speed on your Windows, and you can adjust it as you prefer and test it if you prefer a certain speed. After that, click on Wheel tab right here, and mine is currently set as 4 for vertical scrolling and 3 for horizontal scrolling. The recommended speed or value for these are 3 for each, so you can just adjust if that specific speed is what you prefer or not. If not, you can just simply slowly change each one right here and see if that works for you best. You can just click on OK and restart your computer and see that it should have your mouse fixed. And that is how you can basically fix mouse wheel scrolling problem. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.